Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Tired of worrying about money all the time? Well, don't worry, because I'm here to help you become financially fit. And, trust me, it's not as hard as you think. First things first, you need to create a budget. I know, budgeting sounds about as fun as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's a vital step to financial fitness. By creating a budget, you'll know exactly where your money is going, and where you can cut back. Plus, with a budget, you'll be able to see exactly how much money you have available to save and invest. Next, you need to start saving. I know, saving can be hard, especially when there are so many things you want to buy. But trust me, you'll be glad you saved that money when you need it. And, remember, you don't have to save a lot of money to start. Even saving a little bit each month can add up over time. Another important step to financial fitness is to start investing. Investing can be a great way to grow your money over time, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Even if you don't have a lot of money to invest, you can start small with something like a mutual fund or an index fund. Another tip is to avoid debt. I know, it can be tempting to use credit cards or take out loans to buy the things you want, but trust me, it's not worth it. The interest you pay on debt can add up quickly, and it can take years to pay it off. So, try to avoid debt as much as possible. And last but not least, educate yourself about finance. The more you know about how money works, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Read personal finance books, subscribe to financial blogs, and talk to financial experts. In summary, creating a budget, saving, investing, avoiding debt, and educating yourself about finance are the key steps to financial fitness. And remember, it takes time and effort to get financially fit, but it's worth it in the end. So, don't be afraid to start small and keep at it, you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Another important step to achieving financial fitness is to have an emergency fund. Emergencies can happen at any time, whether it's a medical emergency, a car breakdown, or even losing your job. Having an emergency fund can give you peace of mind, knowing that you have money set aside to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in an emergency fund. Another tip is to reduce your expenses. You don't have to sacrifice everything you love to save money, but you can make small changes to your spending habits that can add up over time. For example, you can bring your lunch to work instead of eating out, or you can cut your cable bill by streaming TV shows and movies online. Another important step is to review your insurance coverage. Having the right insurance can protect you financially in case of an accident, illness, or other unexpected event. Review your insurance coverage regularly to ensure that it meets your needs, and that you're getting the best rates. Additionally, try to increase your income. You can do this by getting a raise, starting a side hustle, or even freelancing. Having more money coming in can make it easier to achieve your financial goals, and it can also help you to save and invest more. In conclusion, having an emergency fund, reducing expenses, reviewing your insurance coverage, and increasing your income are all important steps to achieving financial fitness. Remember that achieving financial fitness takes time, effort, and discipline, but it is well worth it in the end. You'll have peace of mind, and the freedom to live the life you want. One more thing to keep in mind is to be mindful of your spending habits. We all have a tendency to overspend on things that we don't really need, and this can have a big impact on our finances. To avoid this, try to be more mindful of your spending habits by keeping track of your expenses and setting spending limits for yourself. Another important step to achieving financial fitness is to have a retirement plan. It's never too early to start planning for your retirement. Even if you're young, you should start thinking about your future and how you want to live in your golden years. Having a solid retirement plan in place will give you peace of mind, knowing that you have something to look forward to. Another tip is to take advantage of employer benefits. Many employers offer benefits such as 401k matching, health savings accounts, and employee stock purchase plans. These benefits can help you to save money, invest for the future, and even lower your taxes. So, be sure to take advantage of them. In addition, don't forget to be patient. Becoming financially fit is not something that happens overnight. It takes time and effort to change your spending habits and make better financial decisions. But with perseverance, discipline, and patience, you will get there. In conclusion, being mindful of your spending habits, having a retirement plan, taking advantage of employer benefits, and being patient are all important steps to achieving financial fitness. Remember that financial fitness is a marathon, not a sprint, and you have to be consistent, persistent, and keep moving forward. With the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you want. Don't miss out on our latest videos. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay updated on our latest content.